The Barnyard 3, The Pirate Ship Adventure. Penny the pig loved to pretend. Today she had a brilliant idea.
Ahoy, mates! That cardboard box isn't a box, it's our mighty pirate ship.
Aye, aye, Captain Penny. Where shall we sail?
This is silly. I'm supposed to be guarding the barnyard, not playing make-believe.
Chuck, climb the mast. We need to look for treasure.
Grumbling, Chuck hopped onto the edge of the box and pretended to scan the horizon.
Land ho! I see an island made of hay bales.
Full speed ahead. We must find the buried gold.
Penny and Clara rowed around the cardboard box while Chuck dramatically pointed the way. They found sticks for swords, fought off pretend sea monsters, and finally dug up a shiny rock that was their treasure.
The best adventure ever.
I love being a pirate.
Well, I guess being a lookout isn't so bad.
As the sun began to set, the three friends knew one thing for sure. With a little imagination, even a barnyard could become the most exciting place in the whole wide world. The end.
Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.